So this small video will explain you how to run the search with the new RadarOpus version 0.33. So to run a search, you just click on the button search and you have this new interface to enter your query with 4 boxes, one for the words, one for the remedies, one for the families and one for the sections. Let's start with something easy. You just type the word fear and you see that you have an autocomplete box with all the words starting with fear. You validate it with enter, and if you type again enter, it creates for you a new box to enter a second word. For example, dogs. Dogs. Enter. I validate it, and if I want to run the search now, I can choose to click on this icon to run the search, or just make enter into an empty box. I do it, and the search is done. I can now change the option for a word. For example, the word fear. I click there, and I can change the properties of the word fear. I can add other words linked to the word fear, for example the roots and branches, for example the synonyms, or some translations. So I can type fear in English and search for German words or other translations. I can also remove a word, so I click on this button and the word is removed from my search, for my query, and then I have now more results into the synthesis. Of course, I can see the results in the other documents just by clicking on these documents in the table of contents. Materia Medica, and I have also results in the keynotes, in the concepts, in the provings, and you see the highlights of the words I want to search. I can limit my search into specific documents. Here I search in all documents, but I can search in all open documents only, and you see the results here. I can search into all repertories only, all open repertories, only into the concepts, for example, only in the Materia Medica, only, for example, into some kinds of Materia Medica like keynotes, provings, etc. I click there and I see the results only into the provings. Let's go back to all documents, and I can add now a remedy, and you see that I see in my autocomplete only the remedies starting with the letter I have typed. Belladonna. Okay. I can put more remedies, and then I search for fear, but only with remedies Belladonna. And you see that it searches automatically into the repertories. This means I search for all rubric containing fear and the remedy Belladonna, and in the Materia Medica only into the sections of Belladonna. I can also click here to change the properties of the word Belladonna and choose the degrees I want to search. And then I can also add a family, for example Serpentes. So it will search for fear containing Belladonna and at least one remedy of the family Serpentes. Click, and here is the result. Now the sections. You can select some sections to limit your search into, for example, the head sections. And you see that we have a lot of head sections. So this all the chapters in the Materia Medica containing head. So you see that these chapters um, um, expressed in a different way. But if you want, you can search for head all chapters, and you will limit your search to all the head chapters. Okay. Now the other options. For example, you type another word here, dogs, and you can click here to change the way the words are combined. So you can search for all the words into the same paragraph, or at least one of these words in the same sentence as an expression within 2, 4, 6, 8 words, and choose the same with ordered search. And with this icon, you just remove the properties of your query.